Hi, I'm Kristina Bergsten with the Animal Law Firm, where we are fighting for the underdog. Today I would like to talk to you about industrial hair dryers in groomers shops or whatever. So this is a thing that I didn't know existed until I became an animal lawyer. So in some grooming shops, like the big ones, the high volume ones, or probably like PetSmart or Pet, I have no idea where they are, but I just know that this happens. So anyway, so there are these large hair dryers, and when I heard this, I was like, what do you mean? Like, you know, one of the ones that look like the gun and you like shake it over your head. No, they look like giant microwaves, and you literally put the dog inside. It's like a giant, like, it looks like a giant microwave. You put the dog inside, you close the door, and then you like turn it on. And I guess there are timers and like temperature settings. And I have had people come to me because their dogs have literally gotten cooked alive. Yeah, I'm not even kidding, like cooked alive. They got cooked to death. They started out alive, went in the dryer that looks like a microwave and essentially apparently functions like one, and got cooked, and then they were pulled out dead, like cooked. So if you take your dog to a groomer, or your cat, I don't know that people do that, but if you take your animal to a groomer, ask them to just towel dry your animal, because they can get cooked alive and killed in these industrial hair dryers. They have different sizes for different sized dogs, right? But like, I'm not really sure how much the sizes differ. I just know there's a big one and a little one, and like, you know, if you got like a little tiny like toy dog, toy breed versus like, you know, like a husky, like they're not going to go into the same dryer. But does your groomer have different dryer sizes for different dogs? Because how do you know your little toy purse dog isn't going to end up in the same dryer that the husky uses? Are they watching it? Because what happens is like people step away from stuff, and I don't know if it's that they don't hear the timer, or they set the timer for too long, or the temperature too high, or some combination of whatever. But yeah, I mean, they literally, like, look them up on Google. I'm not savvy enough to like create like a little thing here, but they look like silver microwaves. Like they look like, you know, the ovens that you put on your counter and you like put bread inside or whatever, like the little mini ovens, and you like open the door, and then yeah, that's basically what they look like, except like you put a dog inside there, which your dogs can get third-degree burns and all if they survive, right? But most of the time they don't. I've never had anybody call me who said like, my dog survived the industrial hair dryer. It's usually like, my dog got cooked alive, and they were like, sorry, and like that was all they did. So that is just ask for your dog to be towel dried if you take your dog to the groomer, because otherwise your dog might be put in a giant microwave oven. So that's it for today. I just thought the world should know about that, because that is insane. And another reason why you should bother your legislative representative to make animals more than just property, because nobody would stick a sentient human, like you wouldn't put a baby in a microwave, you know, and like, why would you put a dog in? I mean, it's not the same thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. Pets need to be recognized as more than just property, because this is part of the problem, right? As for towel drying, that's it for today. Hope you all are doing well. Thanks for tuning in. Stay safe out there, underdogs. See you next time.